When faced with a snowstorm, it's essential to dress warmly and gather the right tools, including a shovel, broom, ice scraper, and potentially a snowblower or stepladder if your car is tall. First, clear a path to your vehicle to ensure firm footing and a space for removed snow. Start by clearing snow from the roof and working your way down to the tires, ensuring your windshield, windows, headlights, and taillights are also clear to maintain visibility while driving. Don't forget to dig out the tailpipe to prevent carbon monoxide buildup and check under the hood for snow accumulation. Once your car is prepared, start the engine and let it defrost for a few moments while you finish clearing any remaining ice. For traction when exiting your parking spot, consider using salt, sand, or cat litter, and if needed, rock the car or enlist help to get it moving. Always prioritize safety. Avoid pouring warm water on the windshield and ensure your locks are functioning before attempting to drive.